Live chat has become an essential tool for remote support because instant communication leads to faster problem solving and increased customer satisfaction. AirDroid Remote Support offers live chat via text and voice messages, in addition to voice calls, enabling more synchronized and delay-free communication. Now let's use a Windows device as an example to demonstrate how to use the live chat feature for remote support on AirDroid Remote Support. First, establish a remote connection. The supporter can enter the supportee's connection code in ID Connect, or select the device they want to access from the device list and click Connect. Then wait for the supportee to click Accept. Start live chat. After successfully connecting to a Windows device remotely, the supporter will see the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on the chat icon to enter the chat dialog box. Here you can send text messages or voice messages to the supportee. Start voice call. The supporter can click on the voice call icon on the right side of the chat dialog box to communicate with the supportee in real time. Additionally, the voice call feature can be enabled from the toolbar at the top of the screen. Voice call is more effective than text-based communication in solving complex problems. It allows for immediate, real-time interaction, which is critical to solving problems quickly and efficiently. Okay, that's all for this video. For more information about AirDroid Remote Support, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.